In this short tutorial, we'll show how to buy shares of Enterprise Financial Services Corp. Enterprise Financial Services Corp is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EFSC, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll typically need to verify your account with an ID document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EFSC to locate the company listing. Verify the company name and the NASDAQ market to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent market activity. Confirm the NASDAQ listing, the EFSC ticker, and the company name to make sure it's the right security. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review order type and settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available session. And if there are insufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow these same steps.